Hey, Linda Germain here from Printmaking Without a Press, and I wanted to invite you to join me in the 100 Print Project. We will be exploring gelatin printmaking and getting the most from our tools, stamping tools, stencils, making stencils, getting the most from weeds and found stencils, and combining all those tools and marks to make delicate, detailed impressions. We'll start with very light backgrounds with a bit of texture. If it goes too far, we'll do a rollover and reclaim that print with a little bit of history that makes the print very dynamic and unique. We'll explore 2 different ways of making abstract landscapes. The result will be that you will have piles of prints with potential and some beautiful prints that you could either add into a book or do an installation, and you will have multitudes of learning. So check us out on lindagermain.com.